Today was a day without the bike. It was terrible.
Look here or look there? Or look at Banger. Hi Banger. Look here. Okay, look here.
So today, Kenneth has been told he's got to stay off the bike.
No, I'm not like that.
No.
I'll have a go.
No, coach has told him to stay off the bike. So today,
that was like 5 days ago.
Today we're doing a blog about TJ not on the bike.
No, I'm gonna go on an adventure. I'll test my legs on the thing because I feel better now. I feel good now.
Yeah, we'll see. We'll see what happens.
Okay.
Besides, now I'm recording.
You don't get deserve to have these. You don't get to deserve to have real ones because you said that they're a waste of money. But when they smash in your face and glass comes all over your eyes, you'd be lucky to have real ones because they don't smash.
So how much did you pay for your real ones?
$160. Yeah, I'm sponsored by Oakley. Yeah.
You wish. Zero sponsorship. That's your gloat. Zero sponsorship.
Sponsored by Oakley, bro. I wear my Oakleys every day. See, look, I'm wearing my Oakleys right now. I'm wearing my Oakleys right now, bro. Oh yeah, that's sweet. See, Oakleys right there. Oakley. If you squint hard enough, you see like the circle. Yeah. No. It's because you're high and your camera, the thing you're watching it on, has shooting out pheromones. And you're seeing a different picture than what you actually are. For example, the pheromones are shooting at 100%, which is why you see 100%, but really, it's an oval for Oakley. Yeah. 100%, bro.
Yeah. So we're in the car instead of riding our bikes today too.
No further comments about that. We find that when bikes are on roofs, we think that they are poor soul.
Poor bike. I was going to do time lapse of the clouds. Just one problem. Distinct lack of cloud. Who's this on the bicycle?
I don't know. You don't know? Oh, his name's Fred.
His name's Fred. Hey Fred. Lucky bugger. How's it going?
Oh, right. How's it going?
Yeah, good mate, good. So we're down at your favourite cafe, Terence.
Yeah.
What are we doing down here?
Well, what do people do at cafes?
Drink coffee, talk shit. Behind us. Or behind you. So who are we waiting for?
We're waiting for Mr. Dark Knight. The Dark Knight, yes. I am friends with Batman. And no, I don't know Robin. No, I am not Robin. I am Nightwing. It's dark. Especially if you've seen the Titans TV show. So dark.
So dark. Must be from the DC universe.
Yes, Deadpool reference. You're so dark, you must be from the DC universe. Hashtag DP reference.
Around here, Kate. Hello, Kate. Say hello, Kate.
Hello, Ed.
There you go. There you go.
Oh my god, that's like a little robot. He's,
You're on camera, Heath.
super
Peter Little had a joke. Oh no.
Uh-oh.
No. I'm eating eggs. Is it off?
Not yet, I'm turning it off right now. Hang on.
There.
$20.70. Wow.
It's not too bad. Can you see that?
maybe not. I'll have to zoom it in, editing. What game are they playing? I don't see two wheels. Or lycra. Or a helmet. Or a Garmin. Or power meter. Or a road.
Do you reckon if they
Or a hill.
put it on Strava, it would still count?
I think you can Strava cricket.
You can get Strava cricket, yeah. You can Strava almost any sport.
That's a fucking solid hit.
Solid catch and a solid throw too.
I know, jeez.
Jeez.
That was fucking solid. I don't know much about cricket, so I just say solid. And I think it only got them a run or two, so maybe not such a good hitter as once thought. I just know cricket, you just hit the ball. Someone bowls.
Where are we?
I don't really know why they want to hit the wicket for anyway. I mean, if they're really protective of it, why go for it, man? It's just his wicket. Like, leave it alone. Unless it's got food behind it and they're fighting for resources, then that wicket could mean that if they hit the wicket, they could bring it to their
I'm gonna stop this now. He's just talking shit.
blah 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 blah. Oh, that's right. Yes, we just bought something. It is a desk for our green room, which we painted green the other day. So that's what we bought a desk for, because we want to make sure that you have your eyes feasted upon a nice desk. So yes, it's a nice desk. Any questions? Oh, this isn't live. So we're going to see somebody in the hospital.
What's the temperature now?
Hot. It's really hot. Really good for Sorrento trucking today. But I have been told.
What have you been told, Terence?
Another day off. So I wanted to jump on Swift today, do a race.
No.
I wanted to,
No.
but I'm not allowed to.
Why don't the train stop here? There's just back there. There's a whole section where they can do it, but they stop right here.
Can't really see it from here.
See it better further back. There's one white building.
So we've just seen our friend from the hospital.
He's okay.
Yeah,
38 degrees.
nice bike riding weather.
Oh, look at that, flashing 40. Thinks it's 40.
Yes, and I posted that as an Instagram post, American Dollar Bill, the hashtag stripper money, and I got about 10 follows from stripper sort of accounts, and weird men's fashion pages and what may have been a brothel Instagram account. I don't know. But regardless, I didn't follow them back because they're not in, well, what I want to see. And I do sometimes use Instagram with eye shots within other people. And I know sometimes people not intentionally, but look at other people's phones. And yeah, I don't want to see them weird on a tram. Bunch of maxi bombs. I like maxi bombs. I reckon a maxi bomb. I reckon this one. Cookies.
Okay, Terence, so you've had a day today
Yeah.
off your bike.
That is correct, my friend.
You've not been allowed to use your bike yet.
Not at all.
So
It's been torture.
it's been torture.
Yeah.
But you're now having a bit of a game.
Yes, I am.
So where are you?
Headshot! Bang! Yes,
So-
yeah, I interrupted. What's up? Yes.
So
the
you're
game.
now playing games.
Yes.
And
Counter-Strike Global Offensive.
basically this is the game here.
Come here.
Are you any good at it?
No, not really. Gotcha. Got him in the head. AK-47.
I hear you yelling a lot at this game, so this
It's
is
a
normal.
cool game, so you're supposed to yell at them. The other people can hear me, you know. I'm playing against some guys from Mars, and they can hear us.
From Mars.
Yeah.
So, how's your day been?
Well, it's been pretty boring. But
Oh, thanks a lot. You've been spending your time with me.
I know.
You're an asshole.
Love you too.
Went and visited a friend at hospital.
Yes.
We had lunch, sorry.
Oh, headshot.
What'd you have for dinner tonight?
Some salmon and salad, which was really delicious. I love salmon. Salmon's pretty good. It was smoked BT dubs, so it was nice. Yeah, little preparation because it's smoked salmon, so you don't really have to cook it much. You don't have to cook it at all. You just eat it, and the salad's just salad. So.
Salad and chips. Don't forget the chips.
Oh.
Damn! Headshot in the head.
I know. Hard to believe there's people better than me.
It's not hard to believe at all.
No. Well, I usually spend my time riding a bike, not really playing games. Except, oh my god, I caught the knife.
Oh, you shot your own guy in the head.
I know, you got my. I'm shooting. Here we go, look at this. Deagle. Bang!
Bang! One shot. And
Bang!
Down.
Bang! Oh, damn.
And one shot and he's down.
Gee, there's an eagle.
All right, say good night to everyone.
All right,
Been a
good
long
night, guys.
day.
It has been a very long day, and it's time for some ponage. Top Dog 2! Hoo hoo!
And it's finally cooled down.
Top Dog 2.
Finally cooled down. Melbourne's finally gone below 40 degrees.
Boom. Last kill, boys. I came 28th.
Out of 28?
Nah. Oh, well. There's a number there. Where is that number? I don't know what that number means. 16, 1, 14. I'm in positive numbers, dogs. More kills than death. That's all that matters, dog. And good the dubs.
Say good night.
Alright, night, y'all. Thank you for watching Almost the Fight. Subscribe here, watch our latest video here, watch different content over here, and follow me on Instagram, Strava, and Facebook.